So one of the things that you can actually do in Strikingly is go ahead and insert out videos as well. That is, embed videos from YouTube or Vimeo as you like it. So to do that, you need to go to add a section right here and then go to image or video section, or you can go for other sections which has image or video as well. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and select this section right here with a large photo area. So here what I can do is I can click on edit and then I can choose video right here. So here you can see that you can enter a video URL from YouTube, Vimeo, or other supported platforms. In my case, I have a YouTube video link copied out. So let me just go ahead and paste this out and click on save. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that the video will load up right here just like this, and then it will be playable on the page itself. If I were to go ahead right here and click on preview site, let's say for example now, over here, you will be able to see my page right here with the YouTube video player embedded just like this. And that is simply how you can go ahead and insert out video as needed inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.